first row ல 1 include, second row ல 3 include. சரியா நபி? ஏதாவது புரியலன்னா நீ ஸ்டாப் பண்ணணும். மேடம் அப்படின்னு சொல்லணும். சரியா? So this is our A. So let's write the characteristic equation. Is determinant of A minus lambda I equal to rho. Okay? Ready? A minus lambda I. This is the matrix. 1, 2, 4 minus lambda I. 1, 0, 0, 1. Okay? Right. So let us write this matrix now. It becomes 1 minus lambda, 2 minus 0, 3 minus 0, 4 minus lambda. This is A minus lambda I matrix. Characteristic equation is determinant of. So next step we find out the determinant. Okay? Determinant of A minus lambda I equal to determinant of 1 minus lambda, 2, 3, 4 minus lambda. Determinant na எப்படி கண்டுபிடிப்போம்? மேட்ரிக்ஸ் படிச்சிருக்கியா நவீன் நீனு? படிச்சிருக்கியா? மேட்ரிக்ஸ் படிச்சிருக்கியா? டவுட்டா இருக்கு. So you find the determinant of this. This is this minus. So you get 1 minus lambda, 2 minus lambda, minus. Okay? So let us simplify this. 4 minus 4 lambda minus lambda plus lambda square. So this is the lambda square minus 5 lambda. This and this minus 6 plus 4 minus 2. Now, what is the determinant of A minus lambda equal to 0 means this is equal to 0. Here, lambda square minus 5 lambda minus 2 equal to 0. Is this clear up to here? Now, this is the characteristic equation which we studied in the last class. Now, coming to Cayley-Hamilton theorem, it says every square matrix satisfies its characteristic equation. Its own characteristic equation. Okay. So, A was this. The characteristic equation for A is this one. Lambda squared minus 5 lambda minus 2 equal to 0. So, this is the characteristic equation of this particular matrix. Correct? Understood? So, when I say that every square matrix satisfies its own characteristic equation, means A should satisfy this. The matrix A should satisfy this characteristic equation. Understood, children? Now, those attending online, any doubts? A should satisfy this characteristic equation. That is what Cayley-Hamilton theorem says. Any doubt?
No, ma'am.
Sure. Kishore, you wanted to say something, Kishore?
No, ma'am. Nothing, ma'am.
Are you able to understand?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. How about the others? Patrick Rias, why didn't you submit the assignment, Patrick? Rufus, you all didn't submit the assignment, second assignment. Okay. So, let's do the Cayley-Hamilton. Now, we should verify this. So, by Cayley-Hamilton theorem, I verify A squared minus 5A minus 2I. True or not? That is what I should verify. Okay? லாம்டாக்கு பதிலா என்ன போட்டிருக்கோம்? A போட்டிருக்கோம் மேட்ரிக்ஸ். The matrix satisfies அப்படின்னா என்ன அர்த்தம்? மேட்ரிக்ஸ் அந்த ஈக்குவேஷன்ல போட்டா அந்த ஈக்குவேஷன் should hold. That's what you mean. Okay? Right? Yes or no? So, I'm lambda பதிலா I'm replacing by A. If this is equal to 0 matrix, that means Cayley-Hamilton theorem is true for this matrix. Whenever you take a square matrix, you should always take n by n only. 3 by 3, 2 by 2, 4 by 4, 6 by 6, 5 by 5. Square matrix. Number of rows should be equal to number of columns. 2 by 3, 3 by 2 la எடுக்கக்கூடாது. Understood? Now let's do this. A is given 1, 2, 3, 4. So what will happen to A square? A into A. A into A. Okay? A into A. Two matrices you know to multiply, no? Let's multiply 1 into 1 plus 2 into 3. 1 into 2 plus 2 into 4. 3 into 1 plus 3 into 12. 5 into 4. See if I'm right. If I've gone wrong, you can tell me. I hope you know matrix multiplication. In the row, in the column, the row, this, okay, first step. அதே மாதிரி இது சரியாமா இந்த டைரக்ஷன் இந்த டைரக்ஷன். Now those of you attending online, you know matrix multiplication. I hope you know that. I've just multiplied A into A to get my A squared. Okay? Any doubts, children?
No, ma'am.
Okay. Let us simplify this matrix. There is 7, 10, 20. This is my A squared. Okay? A squared. Now I put this in the equation. All right? And see if it satisfies Cayley-Hamilton theorem. A squared is 7, 10, 20, minus 5 times. A is 1, 2, 4. Okay? Minus 2 times. I means unit vector. Sorry, unit matrix. This order is 2 by 2. So I should take the unit matrix 1, 0, 0, 1. 2 into 1, 0, 1. Don't put equal to 0. I should show that that is equal to 0. Okay. So let us take this is equal to 7, 10, 22. Then multiply this 5 inside. So you will get 5, 10, 20. Correct? And here, multiply this 2 inside. 2, 0, 0, 2. Then addition of matrices, subtraction of matrices, you know. So subtract this means 7 minus 5 minus 2. 7 minus 5 is 2. 2 minus 2, 10 minus 10. 15 minus 15. 22 minus 22. 2 minus 2. என்ன வந்திருக்கு 0 0 0 0. Correct, Naveen? So the matrix is 0 0 0 0, which is 0 matrix. You are supposed to show that A squared minus 5A minus 2I is equal to 0, which we have shown. All right. So this is verification of Cayley-Hamilton theorem. In the exam point of view, it's important. They generally ask in part B, sometimes in part C also. 3 by 3 matrix means it will be very big, no? You have to find A cube, A squared and all. So that will be asked in 20 marks question. Very easy to fetch marks if you know this concept. Okay. Shall we do one 3 by 3 matrix also now? It will be easier for us to understand. Okay. If you want, you can give me your own 3 by 3 matrix, no problem. We'll take with some zeros, then it will be easier for us to simplify. Sala entries 0 னு எடுத்துக்கிட்டோம்னு வெச்சுக்கோங்களேன். Calculation easy-ஆ இருக்கும். அதுக்காக தான் வேற. but this will hold for any square matrix. Okay, let me do that. Any doubts for those attending online? Were you able to follow this Cayley-Hamilton theorem?
Yes,
Verification.
ma'am.
Yeah,
Okay.
ma'am.
Okay. Okay, so let us take the matrix. One, two, three, zero, three, zero, zero, two, or one, or whatever. Just some simple matrix in which I've taken some entries as zero. So our calculation would be easy. That is the reason. Okay. As you know, the characteristic equation is determinant of A minus lambda is equal to 0. So let's calculate the matrix A minus lambda equals. So A is A minus lambda. The right matrix will now be 3 by 3 matrix. So it should be 1, 0, 0, 1, 0, 0, 0, 1. Okay? Let us simplify this. So you get 1 minus lambda, 0, 1. 2 minus lambda, 0, 0, 2 minus lambda. Please check if I've gone wrong anywhere, you let me know. 1 minus lambda, 2, 3, 2 minus lambda, 2, 0. I think it's right. Correct?
Yeah, ma'am.
This is A minus lambda I. Let us find the determinant of this now. You all know how to find the determinant of a matrix? 3 by 3 matrix. Let's do that now. So what do? We take this one, 1 minus lambda into 0 minus 2. Yeah. 2 minus lambda into 2 minus lambda minus 0. 2 minus lambda into 2 minus lambda. That's the first one. Then second one. We write so this row, this column movement, 0, 3, 0 by 2 minus 0 by this, 0 into this, 0. Next one is plus 3. So this row and this column, 0 minus 1. Very simple, isn't it? Because there are too many zeros, the answer is simple. So when we simplify this, what do we get? 1 minus lambda into 2 minus lambda into 2 minus lambda. Actually, இதுல ஈஸியா ஐகன் வேல்யூ கண்டுபிடிச்சனால சிம்பிளிஃபை பண்ணணும்னு அவசியமே இல்லையே. எஸ் ஆர் நோ அனஸ்தீசியா கரெக்ட்டா? சிம்பிளிஃபை பண்ணோம் 0 ஆயிடுச்சு 0 ஆயிடுச்சா? That characteristic equation. Characteristic equation A minus lambda is equal to 0. ஐகன் வேல்யூனா என்ன பண்ணுவோம்? Characteristic equation எடுத்து சால்வ் பண்ணுவோம்ல. சால்வ் பண்ண வேண்டாம் பாருங்க. This into this equal to 0 னா lambda வந்து 1 lambda 2 இன்னொரு lambda 2 அவ்வளவுதான். ஈக்குவேஷன் தான் போடணும்னு அவசியம் கிடையாது. Directly you can write the eigenvalues in case they ask you the eigenvalues. Understood, children? Those attending online are able to follow what I'm saying?
Yeah, ma'am.
Okay. But in this case, I'm not writing the eigenvalue. I'm doing Cayley-Hamilton theorem. So let's first form the equation, characteristic equation. After we do the characteristic equation, lambda க்கு பதிலா என்னமா போடணும்? A போட்டுரும். எங்க இருக்குதோ? A squared, A cube. Okay ba? Okay. So this simplifies to 1 minus lambda 4 minus lambda plus lambda square. Okay. We simplify that again. So we would get 4 minus 4 lambda minus 2 lambda lambda square வெளியில வா. இது clear? Oh. So we start writing from lambda cube. That's the highest form. So let's start from there. So again, lambda minus lambda equals to 5. 5 lambda square minus 8 lambda. Please check if I'm doing correctly. This is my A minus lambda matrix A minus lambda. Sorry, determinant of A. So the characteristic determinant of A minus lambda is equal to 0. Okay. So first term negative ஆயிருந்துச்சுன்னா நம்ம எல்லாத்துக்கும் சைன் சேஞ்ச் பண்ணிக்கலாம். கரெக்டா? தப்பா போட்டுருக்கேன்னு சொல்லுங்க. சரி. Is it right? Okay. That's all. So we have completed the first half of the problem, by which we have got the characteristic equation. Now what should we do? Verify Cayley-Hamilton theorem. Then when they ask you, you write according to Cayley-Hamilton theorem, every square matrix satisfies its characteristic equation. For this particular matrix, this is the characteristic equation. I'm going to verify whether it satisfies. Okay, so let us check. Okay, we verify. We want to use the word check or verify, whatever. We let us verify if this is equal to 0 or not. Now I know A already. I should find out A squared. I should find out A cube. Then substitute in this equation. That is all. Okay, shall we do that now? One into one. No, one, correct? Two, 2 plus 4, 5. I've gone up. This, then this, 3, 6, 6. Please check if I'm doing it right. Then second row with all these columns. 0, 0, 0. 6. 12. மல்டிப்ளிகேஷன் தெரியுமாமா? ஸ்லோவாவே பண்ணலாம். ஏதாவது தப்பு பண்ணோம்னா சொல்லுங்க. உங்களுக்கு ஏதாவது புரியலையா? புரியல உனக்கு? அதாவது இந்த பக்கத்துல இந்த ரோ ஃபிக்ஸ் பண்ணிக்கோங்க. பண்ணிட்டு ஒவ்வொன்று தான் பண்ணணும். இப்படி கையில வச்சுக்கோங்க. இது 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 அது வந்து இந்த அதை இந்த இடத்துல போடணும். இது வரும்போது மூணாவது இது 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 ஓகேவா? சரியா? ஒரு ரோ காலம் மட்டும் மாறும். அப்போ இந்த ரோ எடுத்துக்கோங்க. லாஸ்டா இந்த ரோ எடுத்துக்கோங்க. தப்பு விட்டுப்பேன். சொல்லுங்க. கரெக்டா தானே வருது 6 plus 6 plus 3 வருது என்ன வரும் அது 12 plus 13 15 தானே கரெக்டா ஓகே புரிஞ்சுச்சா okay shall we move on to the last entry now this last row so this row 0 0 0 okay arunika புரியுதாமா இது second row 0 0 right 0 plus 0 plus 4 the last one is it okay so just move your fingers around like that fix the row columns matram மாத்திட்டு இருக்கோம் ஓகேவா matrix multiplication புரியலனா தனியா கூட வாங்க சொல்லி தரேன் அது முக்கியம் கேலே ஹாமில்டன் தியரம்க்கு okay right now that is all this is your a squared we are still not done with the problem we have to find one more value what is it a cube because it involves cube here in the characteristic equation so in the a squared into a will be giving me a cube am I right okay so this is a squared let me do a cube now what is a cube a squared into a okay a squared into a so that will be right a squared then you write a then find out the product of this will you be able to do it can you do it and tell me what is a cube
Yeah, ma'am.
both of you are attending online also please do it
Yeah,
tell
ma'am.
me Ashika is it clear ma நீதானா ஏன் இங்க ஜாயின் பண்ணிருக்க எல்லாருமே ஜாயின் பண்ணிருக்கீங்களா okay Shiny Eden Shiny
Yes, ma'am.
is it clear ma
Yes, ma'am. Yes, ma'am.
okay please do a cube Vaishnavi
Yes, ma'am.
okay ma please do a cube and I want the answer take some time and do it patient
ma'am
yes Kishore
value வந்து 1 14 41
oh you're done with it okay
one
Tell me, Kishore.
1 14 41
Okay 1 15
0 8 36
0 8 36
0 0 8
0 thank you Kishore you others may check whether you get the same answer please Naveen, அடுத்த கிளாஸ்ல இருந்து அந்த நோட்புக் மாதிரி எடுத்துக்கிட்டீங்களா நான் சொல்ல எழுதிட்டீங்களா அதுல எப்படி என்ன பண்ணுவீங்க அதுல பிரெயின் மாதிரியா நான் சொல்ல எழுத முடியுமா உங்களால என்ன பண்ணுவீங்க சரி ஓகே அப்ப அது லேட்டரா அந்த நோட்ஸ் படிச்சா உங்களுக்கு புரியுமா சரி அடுத்த தடவை இருந்து எடுத்துட்டு வந்துருங்க கிளாஸ் சரியா keep doing and meantime I'll take the attendance see if you get this answer
ma'am
yes
ma'am 51 ma'am அது 51 ma'am அது 51 ma'am அது 51 ma'am 41 இல்ல ma'am அது ma'am அது 41 இல்ல ma'am 51 ma'am அது
செக் பண்ணுங்கம்மா உங்களுக்கு இந்த மாதிரி ஆன்சர் வருதாங்க ஈஸியா இருக்கா do you find mathematics easy yes if you have difficulty please ask me we are here to teach you only so you do not feel bad because you are from other departments where many of you may not have good basic foundation of mathematics. So we are here to teach the basic mathematics. So please feel free to ask me anytime you don't understand. All right. Ashika B. Lamani, na? Okay. Surya.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. Please answer your attendance, everyone. Gayatri.
Ma'am.
Okay. Anesthesia is here.